Yesterday we received the patient from Pura after having sustained gunshot wounds. There was bleeding from the abdomen after we did our ultrasound scans. So after the scans, the decision to do an emergency laparotomy was made. So we did the laparotomy and we opened the abdomen and found out the injured organs. The liver was injured and also the intestines. So we contained the bleeding and achieved the hemostasis. So the patient currently is stable at ICU and with no any obvious signs of danger, and we hope for the best in terms of his recovery.